Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite friends to your server on Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the Discord icon down below, and after that click on the server icon at the top on the left side of the screen. After that you should click on the setup progress icon and then click on invite your friends in the middle of the screen. Here you have the chance to share the link, the invitation link that you can forward to your recipients, and you can also click on this setting button. So here you can customize the link. Here you have advanced settings, so you can set the expiration date of the link, never 7 days or after 1 day. Here you have the max uses, and you can also enable the temporary membership feature, meaning that members are automatically kicked when they disconnect unless a role is assigned. Click on the close button in the upper left corner of the screen, and here you have the link again. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.